Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this purse. It's a mini purse and size of my hand, you can see. And this is the stitch I've used. The first 3 rounds, as you can see, are single crochet, and then I used this Suzette stitch, and then again 3 rounds of single crochet, and to finish off this button here. And I've worked in rounds, super easy to do, and I think it's perfect for beginners. So I will show you inside out. That's how it is. And I've used for this project this Drops Bell Unicolor, which is a mix, I think, where it is, yeah, 53% cotton, 33% viscose and 14% linen. I've used the other color for this project. Now I'm gonna do the project with this color because it's more visible. So this is similar, cotton light. It's 50% cotton and 50% polyester, and using this hook, 4mm hook, and you can make it any size you want. So it all depends on the beginning chain, which I've done here 22. You can do any chains, but it has to be even numbers. So when you start with any even numbers of chain, and you can do any size you want. You'll get a beautiful result, as you can see. So let's get started. So I'm gonna start with a slip knot. So wrap the yarn twice in your finger and taking this back one in front, and then again the back one down. So this is my slip knot, and I'm gonna do chain 22. So do any even numbers of chain: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue until you've got 22. So I'm back with my 22 chains. Now to continue the first round, you need to skip the first chain, which is this one. So we don't count usually this on the hook. So first chain, second chain, go into the second chain and start with single crochet. So I'm going into the second chain and doing a single crochet. So this is my first single crochet, and I would recommend you to put a stitch marker. So this is my first single crochet. Now continue the next stitch and single crochet again. So this whole round is going to be a single crochet round. So I'm going to continue until I'm in the last chain here. So do single crochet like this. So I'm back, I'm in my last chain, and in this last one I'm going to do 3 single crochet. So do 3, 1, 2 and 3. And now I'm going to continue backward. So in each of the stitches I'm going to do single crochet. So going into the next, single crochet, next, so I finished all the stitches, and I'm here into this first chain. In the first chain I did 1 single crochet. In this one, in this side, I did 3. So I need to do 2 more into this first stitch. So go into the first and do 1 and 2. So that's it. This first round is done. for the second round, what I'm gonna do is take off the marker. I'm not gonna slip stitch, but what I'm gonna do is going to the first stitch and do single crochet. So this stitch would be my first single crochet of second round. So I'm gonna put the marker back. So now I'm in my second round, and I'm gonna continue this second round and again another round, the third round. So I would have 3 rounds of single crochet. So now after this one, I'm going to the next, which is this one, and continue my single crochet in each of the stitches all the way around until I'm back here. So each time you don't need to slip stitch or chain, but just need to take this marker off and continue working in rounds. So I'll be back after 2 rounds, this one and another one of single crochet. So I've finished my 3 rounds of single crochet. You can see the work should now curve like this. Now I'm gonna continue in the 4th round. So take this marker off and go into the first stitch, the next stitch, and do a single crochet. So and put this marker back. So after this single crochet, I'm going to do a double crochet into the same stitch. So yarn over and so make a double crochet into the same. So now skip the next stitch, going into the next one, so the second one, do a single crochet and again into the same stitch do a double crochet. Skip the next one, into the second one, do single crochet and the same stitch double crochet. So this is the pattern. You're gonna skip one, going into the next and do single crochet and a double crochet. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Skip the next one, going into the second one, single crochet, same stitch, double crochet, and continue like this. So I'm back and I've done my last single crochet and double crochet into the same stitch. Now I need to skip this last one and going into this first stitch and gonna do the same single crochet and double crochet into the same stitch, and then gonna skip one and then continue working like the last round. So put always the marker back into the single crochet, so this one. So this is my 5th round and I'm going to continue like this until I've got total of 12 rounds. I mean from the beginning till 12. So I'm now in the 5th and continue. So skip the next, going into the next. So every time I'm working in the single crochet stitch and skipping the double crochet one. So this is easy and simple. Just continue skipping and single crochet, double crochet until you are here, and always you're gonna skip the last one and go into the single crochet and work. So I've finished this 5th round as well, and I'm here skipping this one, going into the first and continue my work like this. So I've finished the 12 rounds, 9 of this and 3 of the single crochet. I'm gonna continue 3 more rounds of single crochet now. So in each of the stitches I'm gonna do single crochet. To start, you need to skip this last one and go into this first stitch. So go into the first one and start over here, single crochet. So I put the marker back, and now I'm going into the next stitch and single crochet and continue single crochet for 3 rounds. When I'm at the last rounds, I'm gonna add this one on the back. So this is an extra chain loop, so that's what I'm gonna do when I've left with, I think, 9. So I'm gonna show you later. Now I'm gonna continue these 3 rounds of single crochet. Each time you are here, you don't slip stitch or do anything, just continue single crochet. So this is it. So I'm in my last round, the 3rd round of single crochet, and I'm here in the middle of the back. So I'm 6 stitches away to finish my 3rd round. What I'm gonna do now at this point is chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and I'm going into the same stitch and slip stitch. And continue single crochet this to finish my round. So that's the end, and now you can see that this side is little bit, you can see it's not even. So to make it even and to finish the work, I'm going to take this marker off and do some slip stitch next 3 stitches. So go into the next and do a slip stitch, and the next one, and then again the next one. So that's it. Now you can cut your yarn and it's even, and that's the end result. I have finished by adding a button here, and you can see both of them. So this is the stitch, the work. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.